Yeah, good evening, everyone. Today in my Python challenge, my another program is that removing a element from the list. So let me declare a list. One, this is one way for removing element, and the second way also is there. Second way of delay removing element listed dot remove of particular element, maybe one we can remove. Print of after removed elements. I'm writing a lambda expression. Element list one if really not equal to 9. Where I'm removing a element as 9. 9 is the element I'm removed. 1, 8, 4, 2 is the elements are given. Got it. Now second way I'm removing one element. So 8, 4, 2 is the final element. So now I'm giving input as 18492, but I'm removing element as except 9. I want to keep all the things remaining same. So I want to remove the 9 element 9. So 1842. These are the three ways we can remove the element from the list. Listed at remove method, either lambda expression, either pop function using the index of the element we should pass. Pop of list index function or remove function or lambda expression. These are the three ways we can remove the elements from the list.